Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable dark mode or dark theme in your Microsoft Excel application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab, and then go on the left side, you want to select Options. Now on the right side, underneath Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, Office Theme, click on the drop-down, and you can either select dark gray or black, depending on your preference, and you would select OK to save the change on that. So I just showed you what black looked like. Let's go ahead and look at dark gray. I personally prefer dark gray, but to each their own. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.